Hi, and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some homemade chili. And I'm using my tomatoes from my garden this past summer that I put up in the freezer and some peppers, green peppers. And so let's get started. Okay, first of all, you want to cut your onion up in small chunks. And it's just one red onion here that I have. And then put it in the pan. I don't use any oil. I just put it in the pan here. And if you have to, you can put a little bit of water in, but I usually don't have to. And then I'm going to put, you can use fresh garlic if you want, but I'm going to use some minced garlic. And I want to cook that with it. About a half a teaspoon of garlic. Then I'll take and saute together. Let the smell of onion and garlic go through your home. It smells really good. I love it. Wonderful day to have chili. Some freezing rain and some snow this afternoon. So I decided to make homemade chili today. And in my chili, my family likes noodles. So I found these lentil noodles, and all it has in it for the ingredients is lentil flour. So it's pretty nice. And so they like this, but if you like rice, you can put some rice to the side, or if you like potatoes, you can put some chili over potatoes. Be creative today for the next time you make chili. And so then once the onion and the garlic cook and brown and get really nice and caramely looking, you want to add some tomato paste. It just helps bring out the flavors. I didn't get these tomatoes and peppers out last night. I got them out this morning. So I'm going to have to try to get them in here and get them starting to cook. Let me put this fire down a little bit. Kind of just go like that. Put the cover on a little bit. Let me see if I can get these in here and get them starting to cook down. I think so. Oh yeah. Now what I do is I cook these tomatoes and peppers. Then I take the mixer and mix it and make some really nice tomato juice. I like homemade. If I can stick to homemade, that's what I like to do. And I have all these tomatoes put up and peppers. I'll put that on low. Now, if you wanted to take and just do an easy recipe of tomato or of chili, you could just take and just buy your tomato juice or beet juice or try to get the low sodium. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomato paste. This is a chili that's made with whole food, plant-based way of eating. So this has no meat in it. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Okay, then you want to take some spices, and like I said, I'm using chili powder. And just put some chili powder in it. But you could use cumin, you could use onion powder, whatever you want to put in it. Whatever your seasonings are, you can use. Then I have the salt-free chili beans with mild chili sauce. Now you could take and cook up some pinto beans or some red beans or kidney beans by dry beans, because I do that sometimes. But like I said, I didn't plan this meal ahead. It's just really cold today, and I said, let's have some chili. So you just want to put that in there. Then I have this 5 roasted diced tomatoes. And during the summer, I'll just take and just cut up tomatoes from my garden and stick in there. So have that instead. And then we like corn in our chili. So I'm gonna add a can of whole kernel corn. No salt added. Gives it color. And my family loves corn, so. I would like to show you some tomatoes that my husband had grown indoors. This is called, I think, a tiger tomato. I'm not sure, but it's got some stripes on it, so that's why I think it's called the tiger tomato. But aren't these pretty? And I could have cut some of these up and used these instead, but wasn't thinking ahead of time. But we'll use these in our salad today, so we'll have them in our salad. But they're so beautiful. My husband does all of my gardening for me, and he plants lettuce and all kinds of stuff like that. And so we have our own lettuce to eat, and our own tomatoes, our own peppers. It's really nice all year round to have fresh garden food. Okay, so after they get all thawed out and everything, you want to take your emerger, and you want to, if you don't have one of these, you want to take them, transfer this to a blender and blend it all up to make tomato juice. Be careful not to splatter the hot on you. Okay, so it's all blended up, and that's my tomato juice. I mixed all of our stuff together. This is our chili. Okay, so this is the lentil noodles. And now we'll pour over the chili. You gonna make you some chili today, and I will see you later. Bye.